Hi everyone. So I'm telling you how to fix an issue between Unity and Visual Studio Code when you're using new Unity input system. If you are in a real hurry and you just want the solution, you should go to the description below and I will put everything there. But if you are interested in more details, then you're welcome. First of all, I've created a simple project with new control system. It's in here. I've created a new schema for this. It's called Pinky system. It has just some controls over there. Then inside of this created asset, I've selected to create C# class and selected a name for it, proper C# class name and everything. Now I'm trying to use this. But when I open my VS Code, or you might want to use Visual Studio, that doesn't matter, you'll face the same issue. The files that I use in UnityEngine.InputSystem are highlighted as red, so they cannot be compiled properly, which means that the input system is just not found, which leads to a following errors: that I cannot reference anything from those files anywhere in the project, and also all the auto-filling for variables and stuff is just not working, because it doesn't know that those variables really exist and those classes exist at all. It's a problem of Unity not properly creating csproj file. Here, if you open the csproj file directly, you can search for Unity.InputSystem and you'll see that it is referenced as csproj. This Unity.InputSystem.csproj is not present anywhere in your file system, in your project. It's not present anywhere at all, so it cannot be found, and there are no other references at all. You can manually fix this by modifying this csproj file. You can add a reference to it manually. You open the folder where you have your project and you go to library/ScriptAssemblies and you can see Unity.InputSystem.dll right here. You just have to specify reference manually. What you do for that is you create this line, you can see it down in the description again, and you put it here. It will contain full path to your project in here, then library ScriptAssemblies UnityInputSystem.dll. It might have different style of slashes if you're using Mac and not Windows, but that doesn't really matter that much. Then you've referenced it manually, now you save this csproj, and suddenly VS Code understands that those files do work properly, that they are written properly, and now it can load all the context for all the classes that are inside that DLL. The problem with this solution is that it will stop working the moment you add any new CS files or you move existing CS files, or if for some reason Unity editor decides to recreate the csproj, because it will just overwrite your stuff. That's why I have it saved in a separate file so I can always easily copy it back. It's a trick and it is not that stable, but it still works. You can make it more consistent by disabling csproj creation from Unity itself, but then you'll have another issue. If you reference something that is not yet present in this csproj, you'll have to edit manually. Otherwise, you will not see it in code editor and you will see the same problems with that. I really hope someone from Unity development team will see this video and fix this on their side, because it feels like something really easily fixable when you're developing the tool itself. But I didn't find any convenient and consistent way to fix this. I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.